Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Libra air sign for the month of October. This is monthly reading and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past in love life. Libra, lot of cards, so I am not taking any one of those. So your recent past, Libra, the High Priestess, the Hermit. Oh, there is no action, there is no action. One person is completely silent in past. There are some secrets, some Hermit, spiritual awakening and sadness. One person is sad for the missed opportunity, one person is spiritually awakening. It could be you or your person. There are some secrets, there is no communication and less communication, no contact. So let's see what is going on in your connection right now. Libra, 8 of Pentacles, the Devil. Lot of reading got Devil cards. 5 of Swords. Yeah, there are some misunderstandings between both of you. Your person could be Capricorn or you could be. You both are obsessed with each other, or one person in this connection addicted to some bad habits. 8 of Pentacles, but one person in this connection concentrating on their career, or they are ready to work on this relationship for some. For some, your person right now concentrating on their career. There are some disputes. So let's see some more about this connection. Page of Cups, communication, Knight of Swords, Ace of Cups. Yeah, one person loves the other person so much. Ace of Cups, love overflowing. Page of Cups, yes, one person in this connection want to apologize the other person for what they did in past. Knight of Swords, yeah, some communications. Definitely you both will communicate. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. Wow, 2 of Cups. Libra, King of Swords, communication, clarity, Tower moment. Yes, after the Tower moment happened between both of you, you will get clarity from your person and they want to communicate you that they will love you so much. 2 of Cups, you love your person so much. And the King of Swords, definitely this is going to be straightforward communication and getting clarity. Yeah, Page of Cups, I think your person want to apologize you. I am getting it's your person want to apologize you for what they did wrong, because I think you are the person feeling sad for the missed opportunity and your person is spiritually awakening, and after the awakening they realize you both and they want to work on this relationship. For some, definitely there is 2 of Cups, means equal love between both of you. So let's pull some cards from the universe for final message. 4 of Pentacles, yes, one person in this connection is not expressive and they are not expressing their feelings. 2 of Wands, yeah, but that person or you thinking about the other person a lot. 2 of Wands, this could be long distance relationship also. Yes, 5 of Pentacles, separation, definitely, but this is not a complete separation. Or 2 of Swords, yeah, definitely your person has to make decision or you has to make decision. One person in this connection is at some crossroads. 5 of Pentacles, yes, regarding the separation, they has to make decision. I think you will get clarity from your person, and regarding the connection, after the spiritually awakening they will approach you. They will send message or they will call you and they will give clarity to you. After they will clarity, you have to decide what to do or what not to do in this connection. Definitely 4 of Swords, I think one person, it could be you taking rest and thinking about there and waiting for them to take action towards you. Yeah, 3 of Pentacles, your person want to work on this relationship or you both want to work on this relationship to take this relationship to next level, because 3 of Pentacles is partnership. You both have to participate to take this relationship to next level. So this is the reading for you, Libra. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.